In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get started. Open the glove box. We're going to pinch the two sides of the glove box together and it'll drop down. You can either fully remove the glove box just by pulling it out of the hooks, or you can just leave it dangling. Push down on these two tabs and pull the door down. Remove the cabin air filter. Since we had so much debris on the top of our filter, we're going to take a vacuum and go inside of the blower motor and try and suck up any of the debris that fell in. Install the cabin air filter with the airflow going in the correct direction. Close the door. Be sure the two tabs click in. Install the glove box. We're going to push these hooks onto these two bottom poles. Close the lid, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.